Okay, first screen here is the simulation screen. This is where things start. You'll see here initially we have this brush selected, and we have a brush size, and we have particles to spawn, and we can spawn some particles like this. These particles are going to be our particles that are in free motion. These ones are not yet stuck. You can see here that we start with this initial seated particle that is stuck. So as soon as we start this going, they're going to start sticking to that, and anything that's not yet stuck will keep kind of wandering around until it reaches something that is stuck, and then it becomes stuck. You'll notice that we're changing the colors as that happens. I'll explain that a bit in a second. That brings us to this next screen. But basically this will kind of continue apace until everything is stuck. And you can let it play out like this, watching it happen. Or you can click this simulate to completion button, and that, let's stop it first. And that will just kind of run a background task as fast as it can, rather than trying to run it at a rate that's appropriate for animation. So that'll just kind of chug away until it gets down to 0 walkers remaining, and then it will render the result to the screen. It's a way to cut to the chase if you want to. Other things here worth looking at. So got this, we can paint these on. There's also an erase. Let's make that a little bigger so we can erase some things we've added if we didn't like that. And you'll notice kind of how like the density of these particles is going to affect a lot, like how quickly this happens, but also just the overall look of things. Other interesting things here. This is, you can spawn using shape. Right now I only have a square, but might add some other shapes eventually. You can like rotate this, move it around the screen, and when you're ready, click spawn, and you'll get particle spawn there. I can start this back up, and of course these all stuck almost immediately because they're just surrounded by stuck things. If we were to move this over someplace that's not already so densely populated, oops, helps if you click the right button. There we go, spawn. And you'll see those aren't sticking quite as fast, but they are sticking, so we're getting some growth here.